In this video, we're going to go over the solutions to the measures of center section in the notes. So to start off, we're going to look at the mean. Example number 1. The following pulse rates are measured in 5 randomly selected males. Calculate the mean pulse rate. So first we're going to start with our sample mean equation, which is x bar equals the sum of all x's divided by the number of x's. So the mean is equal to x bar is equal to the sum of all x's divided by the number of x's. So here we're going to sum up 84 plus 74 plus 50 plus 60 plus 52 and then divide by the number of pulse rates. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pulse rates. So we'll divide by 5. So first we're going to sum up 84 plus 74, 84 plus 74 plus 50 plus 60 plus 52 equals 320. Divide by 5, and therefore the average will be equal to 64 beats per minute. Don't forget your units. The median. So when the data values are organized in order from smallest to largest, the median is the middle value. So example 1. What is the median of the following pulse rates in BPM for a sample of 5 randomly selected males? So first we have to organize the pulse rates in order from least to greatest. So 50 is first, 52 is next, 60 is next, 74 is next, and 84 is next. Then we count the middle pulse rate, which is this one right here, and then that would be the median. Example 2. What is the median of the following pulse rates for a sample of 6? So now we're going to have to average the two most centered data points. So here we have 50, 52, 60, 60, 74, and 84. So the two most centered data points are 60 and 60, and the average of those two, or 60 plus 60 divided by 2, is equal to 60. Therefore, the median is equal to 60. Next one, the mode. The mode is the data value / values that may occur the most frequently. We can have no mode, one mode, or multiple modes. Find the mode of these pulse rates, all in beats per minute. So I should also say that we should include units in our answer. So BPM would be in our answer, and BPM would be in our answer here as well. So the most occurring number in this series of numbers here is 58 because it's repeated 4 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 58s. Therefore, the mode is equal to 58 beats per minute. Find the mode of these pulse rates all in beats per minute. So we have 4 58s, 1, 2, 3, actually only 3 this time. And we also have 3 60s. Therefore, there are 2 modes. So the modes now are equal to 58 beats per minute and 60 beats per minute. Find the modes of these rates, all in BPM. So we have 58, 60, 62, 68, 72. Therefore, there are no modes because there are no repeating value points. Midrange is the next topic. The midrange is the midpoint between the maximum and the minimum data points in a data set. Calculate the midrange for the following incomes in dollars. So first we have to locate our lowest income. So our lowest income, I believe, is $18,900. And then second, we would have to calculate or find our highest income, which is $62,000. So what we're going to do is we're going to take $18,900 and we're going to add it to $62,000, and then we'll divide by 2. And that's how we'll calculate the mid-range. So $18,900 plus $62,000 equals $80,900 divided by 2, $40,450 is the mid-range. Calculate the mid-range for the following incomes in dollars. So we're going to use the same formula that we just used, which is this one right here, max value plus min value divided by 2. So the min value here is 18,900, and the max value is, I believe, 51,500. So we're going to add those two up and divide by 2. So 51,500 plus 18,900 divided by 2 equals $35,200. And I'm going to include units in the first question and also in the second. All right. All right, calculating the mean for a frequency distribution. If you are working with the data that is already in a frequency distribution table, you do not have all the original data points, you can calculate the measures in the same way. So we can use the following formula to calculate a mean from a frequency table. So what we're going to have to do is calculate the midpoint for each class. So the midpoint is calculated 40 plus 54 divided by 2 is equal to 47. 55 plus 69 divided by 2 is equal to 62. 70 plus 84 divided by 2 is equal to 77. 85 plus 99 divided by 2 is equal to 92. And 100 plus 114 divided by 2 is equal to 107. So in order to calculate, expand the following frequency distribution table to calculate the mean. So the mean is equal to the sum of all the frequencies multiplied by x, where x is the midpoint. Okay, so we're going to multiply x is equal to the sum of all frequencies multiplied by x, divide by the sum of all the frequencies. So the sum of all frequencies is 15 plus 63 plus 62 plus 11 plus 2 equals 153. Okay, so this will be equal to 47 times 15 plus 62 times 63 plus 77 times 62 plus 92 times 11 plus 107 times 2. Divide that by the sum of all frequencies, which is 153. So let me do that in my calculator. For 47 times 15 plus 62 times 63 plus 77 times 62 plus 92 times 11 plus 107 times 2 equals 10,611 divided by 153 equals 69.35. And we're going to keep an extra decimal place, so we'll round up to 69.4. So when I say keep an extra decimal place, we only have one decimal place, or sorry, there's 0 decimal places here, and the rules in statistics are you keep one extra decimal place. So those are the solutions to the questions in the 1C notes for graphing and measures of center. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.